Hi, everyone, and welcome to episode 9 of the InstaBizCoach podcast. This is our first video episode. I'm going to cover the top tools that I use to manage my business, which is a juice bar. If you're interested in opening a business that's in the restaurant or food industry, I highly recommend this episode. These are the tools that you need to be able to run your business. Starting with the POS system, I love the Toast POS. If you have a business in the United States and you have access to Toast, I highly recommend it. The Toast backend system is simple to use. They also have a great customer service. We have the kiosks, which is the simplest way that people can order. Your customers go in, they order on your kiosk, you get it on your back end, which is your KDS, your kitchen display system, and from there it's all synced and we've never had any issues. Somehow it always works. So this is why I love Toast, because we never have connection issues. And secondly is because the way that they set up the menu, it's easily to edit. I can do a full Toast review in another video as well. Let's say we're out of an item, so that's what I would do. I would go in to Toast and I would remove the menu item. So I highly recommend Toast. Now, after Toast, the second one that we use is Instacart. Instacart is where we order almost daily our items for the juice bar. Instacart is great because you can order from multiple different stores, including like Costco Warehouse. You can also order from Restaurant Depot now. Restaurant Depot is where you can order like like 60 apples at a time. You order them in bulk. So I highly recommend Instacart, and all these links will be linked below. And if you have, you can also just go instabizcoach.com/links, and all of these will be there. Now, the third one that I use constantly is Sling. Sling is where I am able to track the schedule for my employees. I can track how much they're getting paid, they're tipped, everything is on Sling, and we also communicate on there. Like if I need to send a message to the entire team, I send it on there, or any updates. The cool thing about Sling is that it also has like to-do lists. You can say opening tasks, closing tasks, and on there we also have like the inventory. So the last tool that I use is Google Workspace. So I love like Google Sheets. That's where I do my payrolls on Google Sheets. I also do all of my accounting on Google Sheets, like P&Ls and inventory. Then I just recommend doing it on a Google Sheets. And what I do is I have a printed out form, and the staff just fills it out because they want to have it on the board. It's nice to just have something physical. Or you can have it like on an iPad, and they submit it every single day, and that's how we order inventory, and we get it within an hour through Instacart. So I highly recommend all of these together. That's how I can run my business and travel the world. Right now, I'm here in Zurich, Switzerland, and I'm managing my business. So make sure to follow us on Instagram at InstaBizCoach, and message me with any questions at info@instabizcoach.com.